Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, today I will try to go Oamaru just for walk around in the stores, try to visit Victorian precinct if it is open, and I'll try use my drone to get footage where they call it Oamaru Sea Wall. In this time, here in New Zealand, the COVID-19 alert moved to level 2. So what it means? Alright guys, without further ado, let's bring this my intro first. Hello guys, we are here in Oamaru. We're here in Victorian place, Oamaru, and we're having a walk in here today and try to vlog this area. Then I will show you the town here, which is the Oamaru town. So hello guys. Ay, pinapractice ko lang muna yung pag-vlogging ko. Ay start muna. welcome back to my channel, Only Worthy. Oamaru is the town of South Island. It's the largest town in North Otago in the South Island of New Zealand. It's the main town in the Waitaki district. It is 80 kilometers south of Timaru and 120 kilometers north Dunedin of the Pacific coast, which is State Highway 1 and the railway main south line connect it to both cities with a population of 13,150. Oamaru is the 28th largest urban area in New Zealand and the third largest in Otago behind Dunedin and Queenstown. So guys, let's talk about level 2 situation, what it means and the status here in New Zealand. As I read this website, covid19.gov.nz, here in this link, you will see the updates there. So I just rely on that information as I give you here now. Okay guys, let's start last Wednesday on May 13th, 2020. Last week around 11:59 p.m. just in the midnight, it was announced from our beloved Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. As I read this info, by moving down, level 2 means they call it place safe. You have more freedom of movement at alert level 2, but it's up to each one of us to keep the rest of New Zealand safe. These are the most important things that you can remember and do. 1. COVID-19 is still out there. Play it safe, right? So 2. Keep your distance from other people in public. 3. If you're sick, please stay at home. Don't go work or school. Don't socialize. Don't do that one. And the 4th, if you have symptoms of cold or flu, call your doctor or health line and get advice about being tested. So 5, wash your hands as always. We need to apply this and practice to wash our hands as always. 6, sneeze and cough into your elbow like that. Regularly disinfect also the surface. So we have to do some cleaning or just to practice disinfect your surface before you use it. In 7, if you have been told to self-isolate, you must do so immediately. Just follow it. Number 8, keep a track of where you've been and who you've seen. So that's the 8 that we have to follow for being place safe. So now we're talking about life at alert level 2. It means you can resume many of your everyday activities, but you have to do so safely. These things that you have to know. 1. All business can open to customers if they can do it safely. This will help to get people back to work. 2. You can go in the store at businesses. So 3, tertiary education facilities, schools, and early learning centers will be open for all ages. 4. You can travel between regions. Yes, that's so good. And 5, initially, gatherings like weddings, religion ceremonies, and social gatherings can have up to 10 people. That's the limit required. So 6, you can safely connect and socialize with close friends. Remember, close friends and a family in a groups of 10. So in 7, you can visit local cafes, restaurants, bars, and pubs to have a meal. It's good. In 8, you can return to your recreation activities. At first, keeping to 10 limit people. So that's the information I have from the government. Okay guys, that's all I can give right now for level 2 update information. I hope you like my videos and please comments down below for any want to know. Guys, if you're new on this channel, please do subscribe and hit the likes. If you can smash the bell, that would be better so you will get notified as well. Guys, thanks for watching Only Worthy here in my channel, and see you next time. Okay, see you, bye.